What you making?
Perler beads.
Perler beads. Are you making a...
And she's making another
a-
rotini for me.
That's a turtle. And you're doing a star. So what do you do when you put all those beads on there?
You iron it.
With an iron?
Mm-hmm.
Huh. What's it do? Melt the backside so they all stick together? Well, holler at me when y'all get ready to do the melting part. I want to watch.
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
I'll do this.
Still watching.
Okay. Let's. Watch out, don't mess up.
Rotina again.
Woohoo!
My beautiful creation of the star.
Let's melt it together.
That one, that's for you, and the rotina is for me. I keep it in my room.
Alright, I think we got all the tips.
That's for you.
It's hot. Wanna see it?
Do you like your creation?
Beautiful.
Rotina's next.
Now we'll put a magnet on it. Uh-oh. His butt fell out again.
It's like you pooped. Green poop.
Let's get his butt melted together before it falls apart again. Uh-oh.
His eye fell off.
He lost an eyeball.
That means he's...
Oh no!
Rotina's dead.
Yeah, we gotta. Rotina needs surgery over here, baby.
Oh my snap.
Layla, get out of view.
Do not look.
Oh man, what happened?
We pulled it off and we shouldn't have because the face got messed up. It knocked pieces off.
Oh, so you got to redo it? So basically
Yeah,
what we're
so
going to do
don't
is
do
we're
that.
going to put like parchment paper over the perla bead thing, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then you take an iron.
And iron it.
So that's melting the tops of the beads together, correct?
Yes.
This has been around for years. We used to do this when I was a kid in the 80s and 90s.
That's hot.
Mm-hmm.
Rotina, the 2 is almost ready for you.
Now, do you have to melt both sides, or does it?
No, it'll stay, but they kind of bend out easier, so I always do.
Okay.
Especially if you're going to put them as a magnet, and they're going to get messed with a lot.
Yeah.
And then you can help me do the unicorn. I melt it often. That's mine. For real? Please.
There you go.
Mine,
Hot.
Rotina.
Hold it up so we can see. Well, yeah, it's warm. So that's a turtle, right?
That's Rotina the 2.
Rotina the turtle?
2.
What's that mean?
It's the second rotina I have.
But what is it?
A turtle. It's a tortoise.
Oh, that's what I asked, but you said no. Well, that's pretty nifty.
Now it's ready for my bow and arrow.
Okay.
This is what we used to do before we had
Electronics.
tablets and video games.
Electronics.
You wouldn't know anything about that, would you? It's time consuming, and that's the whole point. I'm actually building a turtle, or putting together a perla bead turtle.
Tell her what I'm doing.
And these beads, they come in huge quantities. You can buy whole bags of them still. We got a whole truckload of different colors there.
And then we also have these.
There's that's a dinosaur, and I'm doing
Nope, dragon.
a dragon. Actually, you know what? I think that is a
Crocodile.
crocodile.
And this is the second rotina.
Cool. I'm gonna get this one finished up, and we'll see what it looks like.
Hello. I'm making a multicolored dog. Here's your tweezers to use on the uniform. She would like some groceries. And she would like a gold beauty mark. I can't wait until I see the phone. I don't know what he's doing.
Getting all the edges and make sure that all of the holes are closed.
So you were making the one that you had?
No, just doing the hooves. You could do whatever color you want. Just do it in a pattern instead of just putting color.
Hey, can you make her some wings?
You have to make some with.
Where's her eyes at?
She doesn't have any.
Doesn't have a
She looks like a quilt.
quilt?
A colorful quilt.
Well, here you go. All done.